previewed both of these with different settings. The green one is the default setting. It feels really, really sturdy. It's like really hard to get off. Now this, I made with different settings. Should come off pretty clean. Came off really clean. You can see the difference. These are almost hollow, dense as the standard ones. So let's see if we get this thing. Oh my God. So that finally came off. The orange one, you can barely tell where the support was, but the green one you can. So let me show you in the settings what I changed to accomplish it. Okay, so here we are in Bambu Studio. I got my little thumb screw here. I have it at a 45-degree angle, and I'm printing at 0.16 optimal with the tree support default. Now your first setting will be here, this initial layer density. It's normally 90. You don't want to put it at 10. And then the top Z distance was 0.16, just like the bottom one was. You're going to make that 0.22. And then I played around with these base patterns. This one might work a little better because it's thinner. Not as much, it's not as dense as the rectaline or grid. And top interface layers, I just left that at 2. And that's really it. Slice that up. Did add a brim just so this thing wouldn't fall over by accident. And there you go. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's something that you've tried that works better than this. Thanks.